If you want to know how to minimize Evernote on your computer, this quick guide will show you the easiest way to do it in just a few seconds. Whether you're trying to keep your desktop clean, switch to another app, or simply tuck Evernote away while keeping it open in the background, this is a very simple process. And before we jump in, if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Evernote on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, your taskbar, or your start menu depending on how you normally launch the app. Once Evernote is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the standard window controls there, including the minimize button. Now click the minimize button, which is usually the little dash symbol. As soon as you click it, Evernote will disappear from the main screen and move down to your taskbar. The important thing to remember is that minimizing does not close Evernote. The app is still running in the background, so your notes, notebooks, and work stay exactly where you left them. This is really useful if you want to multitask. Maybe you're taking notes into Evernote and then need to open your browser, check your email, or move to another project. Instead of closing the app completely, minimizing lets you keep everything ready for when you come back. To open it again, just go down to your taskbar and click the Evernote icon. The window will pop right back up exactly as it was before. This makes it easy to jump in and out of Evernote without losing your place. If you're on Windows, this is the most common way to minimize the app. On some setups, you may also be able to use your keyboard or window shortcuts, but the button in the top right corner is the fastest and most direct method for most users. On a Mac, the window controls may appear in a different location, but the idea is the same. You're simply hiding the window while keeping the application open, and that's all there is to it. To minimize Evernote, open the app, click the minimize button in the top right corner, and then restore it later from the taskbar whenever you need it again. Super easy. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.